Welcome to our roundup of the best kitchen scales for home cooks, bakers, and anyone who loves precision in the kitchen this year. Whether you're struggling to measure ingredients accurately for recipes, managing portion sizes, or tracking nutritional information, we've handpicked the top kitchen scales that deliver accuracy, versatility, and ease of use, all designed to make your cooking, baking, and meal prep more precise and stress-free. We'll break down each scale's key features like weight capacity, measurement units, display readability, calibration options, and ease of cleaning, so you can find the perfect fit for your kitchen needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest price and deals. Let's dive in and find the ultimate kitchen scale for you. Starting at number 5 is the Composite kitchen scale with 6 units LCD display. Composite is known for producing compact and functional kitchen tools designed for home chefs who need accuracy without complication. This scale is ideal for small kitchens, casual bakers, and meal preppers who want reliable measurements in a compact form factor. It features a 6-unit LCD display, allowing you to switch between grams, ounces, pounds, milliliters, fluid ounces, and kilograms with ease. The high-precision sensors provide accurate readings for a wide variety of ingredients, while the tempered glass platform ensures durability and easy cleaning. Its slim and lightweight design makes storage effortless, and the scale is powered by batteries, making it portable for kitchens of all sizes. The Composite kitchen scale is praised for its accuracy, versatility, and user-friendly operation, though some users note the limited weight capacity compared to larger scales. Overall, it's a great choice for bakers, meal preppers, and home cooks looking for a compact, reliable scale. Next up is the Maestri House kitchen scale with automatic functionality, perfect for modern kitchens where convenience meets precision. Maestri House has a reputation for designing stylish yet practical kitchen gadgets, and this scale is no exception. It's ideal for frequent bakers, health-conscious individuals, and anyone who wants automatic calibration for consistent results. It includes automatic tare and zero functions, which make weighing multiple ingredients in one bowl straightforward. The stainless steel platform adds durability while ensuring easy cleaning after each use. Users can switch between grams, ounces, and pounds, providing flexibility for recipes from any source. Its sleek digital display is bright and easy to read, minimizing measurement errors. Users love how seamless the automatic functions make baking and cooking, though the buttons can sometimes be sensitive, triggering unintended changes. Nevertheless, it's ideal for those who value simplicity, accuracy, and speed in meal prep and baking tasks. Coming in at number 3 is the Greater Goods high-capacity kitchen scale, a brand known for reliable, high-quality kitchen appliances that cater to serious home cooks and bakers. Covering medium to large kitchen spaces, this scale is perfect for families, professional bakers, or anyone needing high-capacity, accurate measurement tools. It features a large stainless steel platform and high weight capacity, supporting heavier ingredients like flour, sugar, or bulk produce with ease. The digital display offers clear readings in grams, ounces, pounds, and milliliters, and its calibration options allow for precise adjustments to ensure consistent results. Additional perks include tare function for multi-ingredient recipes and an auto-off feature to preserve battery life. The Greater Goods scale excels with stability, accuracy, and robust construction, but some users may notice it takes up more counter space. Overall, it's ideal for home cooks or bakers who prepare large batches and need dependable performance. At number 2, we have the Nicewell 22 pounds digital kitchen scale, designed for heavy-duty, versatile use in both home and professional kitchens. Known for precision and durability, Nicewell is a trusted name in kitchen scales. This model is perfect for home chefs, meal prep enthusiasts, or anyone who needs high weight capacity without sacrificing accuracy. It combines 22 pounds weight capacity, high-precision sensors, and a sleek digital display, providing consistent and fast readings. The scale's extra-large platform accommodates bigger bowls and containers, while the unit conversion feature allows quick switching between grams, ounces, pounds, and kilograms. Its sturdy construction and non-slip base ensure stability during use. Users appreciate the high capacity, fast readings, and reliable accuracy, though some note it's slightly bulkier than compact models. Best suited for users handling larger quantities or frequently baking in batches, this scale provides professional-level performance for everyday kitchen needs. Finally, at number 1 is the Composite food kitchen scale, a premium model that offers precision, versatility, and a modern design. Covering small to large kitchens, it's perfect for advanced home cooks, bakers, and health-conscious individuals seeking top-tier performance. It includes high-precision sensors, 11 pounds per 5 kilograms weight capacity, and multiple unit options including grams, ounces, pounds, and milliliters. Smart features include auto-calibration, tare function, and an intuitive digital display, while the tempered glass platform and sleek design add both durability and aesthetic appeal. Its powerful capabilities make it ideal for accurate meal prep, portion control, and precise baking measurements. This product shines with its consistent accuracy, ease of use, and stylish design, though the higher price may be a consideration for budget-conscious users. If you want the best combination of reliability, functionality, and professional-grade performance, this is the top choice. And that wraps up our top 5 best kitchen scales for home cooks and bakers in this year. From the budget-friendly Txady to the convenient Maestri House, high-capacity Greater Goods, professional-grade Nicewell, and premium Atexity, there's a kitchen scale here for every kitchen, chef, and recipe need. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. And make sure to check the description for the latest price and deals so you can grab the perfect kitchen scale for your cooking and baking needs today. Thanks for watching.